Workplace for the conduct of scientific research. Laboratory. To give or provide something to another person. Serve. Needing thought or concentration, important, in a sober manner. Serious. Person, thing, or idea near you. This. Unhealthy condition of the mind or body. Illness. Another way of saying woman. Lady. To make something illegal or not allowed. Ban. To care for and like someone very strong and deeply. Love. To stop before doing something because you are unsure what to do. Hesitate. That you don't want others to know, private. Secret. Helping a cause by giving money, things, services. Contribution. Picture, sculpture or painting of something. Image. To appoint to an office, function, or dignity. Constitute. From one side to the other of something. Across. Concerning university courses taken after receiving a 4-year degree. Graduate. Play that is performed on stage, theater, or TV. Drama. To consider how similar and different things are. Compare. Point beyond which it is not possible to go. Limit. Done or experienced by everyone. Universal. Law or rule that controls or limits the speed, size, amount, or number of something. Restriction. Very simple/ordinary, not decorated, not striped. Plain. Having knowledge of something. Awareness. Band of material worn around a person's waist. Belt. Chance or luck, particularly good luck. Fortune. Making your own decisions, not controlled by others. Independent. To succeed in a struggle against defeat. Overcome. The same, male, person who did the action. Himself. To make a happy sound when something is funny. Laugh. To make a serious promise to do something. Swear. To use a knife or scissors to divide or open the surface. Cut. Number 1000. Thousand. Using techniques that are different or untried before. Experimental. Knowledgeable about life, having good judgment. Wise. Main purpose or center of interest or activity. Focus. Not of the same kind, unlike other things. Different. To indicate what you think, feel, know without saying it directly. Hint. To harden to a solid below 0 degrees. Freeze. Interest or benefit of someone or something. Sake. Having the ability to do something, can do. Capable. To gather things/people together in one place. Collect. Plants with narrow green leaves, grown on lawns. Grass. To hit something lightly. Tap. Second day of the week, the day after Monday. Tuesday. A sweet baked food made from flour, eggs, fat and sugar. Cake. Person someone is speaking or writing to. You. To stand in the place of, to act the part of. Represent. To record your name on an official list, sign up. Register. To find a certain place, location, or destination. Locate. Object form of the person now speaking or writing. Me. The season when the weather is getting colder, after summer. Autumn. In addition to what has been said. Furthermore. To be in a resting position on a chair. Sit. Animal that bacon comes from. Pig. Characteristic of boys or men. Male. Female person or animal mentioned before. She. Act or result of releasing dirty or dangerous substances into an environment. Pollution. Rising upward a great distance. High. To work out to become stronger and healthier. Exercise. To make musical sounds with your voice. Sing. Causing a great deal of argument, discussion, or conflict. Controversial. Every place. Everywhere. Clearly different in nature from something else. Distinct. Group of people who answer questions or give opinions. Panel. To show how something works, for example product. Demonstrate. About a job such as doctor, lawyer, accountant, etc. Professional. Way to get from one place to another place. Route. Process of producing a book, magazine. Publication. How much something is worth, the value of something. Worth. Something that has been remembered. Memory. Factories or businesses that make certain products. Industry. Concerning the business of selling products to the public for personal use. Retail. Person who reads written or printed materials. Reader. Right to do something as allowed by another. Permission. Hint or clue. Tip. Not allowed by the laws or rules. Illegal. Flat, raised structure that people stand on. Platform. Offer, extend. Tender. To break a piece off something, for example a cup. Chip. To test your knowledge or ability. Examine. Prepared. Ready. Oily part of meat. Fat. Poetic writing, imaginative verses. Poetry. Feeling of happiness, enjoyment, or satisfaction. Pleasure. State of being pregnant, the period from conception to birth when a woman carries a developing fetus in her uterus. Pregnancy. Working efficiently to produce a desired result. Effective. Very unpleasant. Horrible. Very small. Slight. To talk about something seriously or in great detail. Discuss. To come together at a certain time or place. Meet. Female person that did the original action. Herself. 1 trillion. Trillion. To turn something in opposite directions at the same time. Twist. To be aware of sound, to perceive with the ear. Hear. Being far away from people, towns, and other things that are familiar. Remote. Word that expresses an action or state. Verb. You walk through this when you go in a room. Door. Under, in or to a lower position, below. Beneath. Usual or standard way in which something is done. Procedure. Involve the uncertain or yet to be proved aspects of a certain subject. Theoretical. To feel concerned or troubled about something. Worry. Hit using the foot. Kick. A failure or a negative aspect of. Fault. Act of expanding or becoming bigger. Expansion. High land not as high as a mountain. Hill. Knowledge gained by living life, doing new things. Experience. In a manner wishing something to happen. Hopefully. Legal or official right to perform certain actions. Power. Someone who holds shares of stock in a corporation. Shareholder. Group of people and system which rule a nation. Government. To change the shape completely in a good way. Transform. Kind and quiet in nature, not harsh or violent. Gentle. Big, of great size, broad, tall, wide, long, or fat. Large. Of something, belonging or related to something. Its. Manner in which people, groups or countries behave toward one another. Relationship. White sweet substance used to make foods sweeter. Sugar. Not tightly attached or held. Loose. 14. 14. By a specific person, and not by anyone else. Personally. Land near the sea or ocean. Coast. Earn money from work, investments or business. Income. To remember because you have met it before. Recognize. Series of written names, words or numbers. List. Having a great distance from one side to the other. Wide. How often something happens. Frequency. Expression of ideas or opinions. Speech. Looking for differences and similarities in two or more things. Comparison. To agree that you did something bad, or that something bad is true. Admit. To try to do something challenging or difficult. Attempt. Organization of workers to look after their needs. Union. Something that happens as a result, consequence. Outcome. To protect against an attack. Defend. The end of something, completion. Finish. 60. 60. To talk with breath but no voice. Whisper. School or educational institution for adults. College. 1/12 of a foot, 2.54 centimeters. Inch. Thing making the chance of success higher. Advantage. 2. 2. Existing in large numbers. Numerous. Feeling or action in response to something. Reaction. Unit of length equal to 100 centimeters or about 39 inches. Meter. To push your body into the air with your legs. Jump. Symbols such as 1, 2, 56, 793. Number. Part of the face used for breathing and smelling. Nose. Very bad. Severe. To overview or summarize the important points of something. Outline. Thick, black liquid in the ground used as fuel. Oil. Unit of weight equal to 16 ounces or 0.4536 kilograms. Pound. Large animal with 4 legs used for riding. Horse. Weather with a lot of rain, snow and strong winds. Storm. Not speaking or making noise. Silent. Unit for measuring temperature or angles. Degree. To move forwards, often in big steps. Leap. Not closed or shut. Open. Normal, usual, expected. Typical. Night following this day. Tonight. Experienced through long service or practice. Veteran. To slide out of position or fall on the ground by accident. Slip. To be changeable, both up and down. Vary. Unit of time equal to 12 months or 365, or 366, days. Year. Satisfactory, good enough. Acceptable. Writings that are valued as works of art, especially fiction, drama and poetry. Literature. To not meet the expectations of others or yourself. Disappoint. To pay great attention to a task, focus. Concentrate. Not of the same kind, unlike other things. Difference. To direct or influence the behavior of something. Control. Used to express that something could happen. Might. Someone giving advice in business, law, etc. Advisor. Frozen gas or liquid, especially water. Ice. Part or unit with a specific job. Module. To use your eyes to focus on something. Look at. More formal term for on. Upon. Expresses permission, possibility or probability. May. Soft yellow metal that is very valuable. Gold. Part of a tree growing outward from the trunk. Branch. To stop something or someone sleeping. Wake. A perfectly round shape. Circle. To cover something by winding a piece of material around it. Wrap. Direction to your left when facing the rising sun. North. Physical world, including plants, animals, rocks. Nature. To no longer be wanted so you throw it away. Rid. To damage so badly that something no longer exists. Destroy. State of being relaxed, warm or happy. Comfort. Machine used to talk to someone who is far away. Telephone. To put two things or numbers together, for example 2 plus 2. Add. Not having curves, bends, or angles. Straight. Concerning, usually large, companies. Corporate. Hard substance used in building made by mixing cement, sand, small stones, and water. Concrete. To state or show what you think or how you feel. Express. To move your legs faster than walking. Run. Idea or opinion about doing something. Notion. Used to refer to the speaker and other people together. We. Very difficult to do or deal with. Tough. To search for, to try to find, look for. Seek. Group officially put in charge of, for example, education. Commission. Person or thing belonging to a group or team. Member. With strength or in a strong manner. Strongly. Across from or on the side facing something. Opposite. To direct, lead or guide something. Conduct. To be a feature to make something clearly different from others. Distinguish. To set or adjust the amount, restrict something. Regulate.